What's going on, guys? Quick little announcement. Today, tonight, November the 15th is the last chance that you can become a lifetime member to Evolution Traders. So I've been doing the lifetime mentorships and coachings for almost 3 years now, going on 3.5 years. It's been fun. It's been a wild ride. I've got the Discord open now. You can see all of the lifetime members that we have here on the right side of the screen. Again, this list has been growing and growing and growing the past 3 years. But as you can imagine, it does get a little hectic trying to figure out what everyone trades, trying to make time for all of the one-on-one calls, trying to make time to answer every single question. So the mentorship aspect is going to be closed until 2024. What I'm going to do is just leave it open for the next 24 hours until the market opens in the morning, and probably not even that long. And then it's going to be bye-bye. What I am going to do is I'm going to do away with that one-time all access. So you're going to get access to all the chat rooms. You're going to get access to all the courses. You're going to get access to the calendar still. You're going to get access to the live trading. You're going to get access to the chat rooms. You're going to get access to everything, right? Nothing's going to change for existing members. Nothing's going to change for anyone that decides to join between now and tomorrow, the 16th, right, of November 2023. You guys will be locked in for life. There will be no more one-time payment. You get access to everything, all of the updates and everything like that. It's going to go over to all of these channels that you see will all be locked for anyone new coming in after tomorrow. And all you're going to get access to, I'm going to do something completely different. So I'm going to kind of revamp the Discord a little bit, but I'm going to have a separate section for live trading, right? The live trading webinars. I'm going to do a monthly membership for those live trading webinars. Again, nothing changes for those of you guys who have a lifetime access. Again, for those of you guys who want to take that opportunity to join into Evolution Traders tonight, because tonight is the last night for that lifetime all access pass, nothing will change for you either. I'm talking about going forward, right? Going forward, all they're going to have is just one chat room, and then they can listen into the live voice channel and the live webinar each and every single morning. And that's about it. Because again, it gets overwhelming. It gets, it's a lot to kind of manage for myself. And I've been at this for a long time. Obviously, my number one focus is trying to help and develop traders and also grow my continued trading account. So with that being said, if you guys do want to take advantage of it, tonight's your last chance to get access to that. Again, if you guys missed the cut, I'll see you guys on the other side, see you guys on YouTube, or I'll see you guys later on down the road. But it's time to really buckle down with the people who are serious and the people who want to actually take advantage. So again, if you have been thinking about joining, today is your last opportunity. Again, those links will come down. They will be dead. You won't be able to get in on that lifetime gold member package anymore. And the only way to kind of get into the room after that will be that monthly membership. And I know a lot of you guys don't like to do that. So again, that'll kind of weed out the people who, really aren't serious. So again, just wanted to extend the opportunity for anyone who did want to join. Again, you get access to the courses, access to my calendar, you get access to the watch list, the intraday technicals, the live trading. All of that remains the same for all existing gold members and people who decide to join between today and tomorrow, the 16th. After the 16th, all of that access gets taken away for anybody new. See all of you guys on the inside if you guys do decide to join. For the rest of you guys, I'll see you guys on the other side.